Meadowview Growers is known for its many create and carry classes and workshops. This fall's virtual terrarium class takes terrariums to the next level of beauty and whimsy with our Backflow Incense Terrarium. Backflow incense cones are designed to flow downwards rather than upwards. In this terrarium, the incense flow will create a misty ambiance as it flows down through your miniature wonderland. Your kit that accompanies the Zoom class will include the glass bowl, backflow incense burner, soil, choice of moss or rocks, and choice of 3 mini ferns, all packed safely in a reusable MVG bag. Your terrarium can fit up to 5 total plants, so when you stop in to pick up your kit, visit our miniature garden section and pick out any additional miniature plants or even decorations to truly make it your unique creation. During the virtual class, we will walk you through step by step on how to create your terrarium, answering any questions you may have. Take the virtual class at the scheduled time or anytime afterwards at your convenience in the safety of your own home. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy the benefits of working with the beauty of living plants along with others who share your interest at Meadowview Growers.